Okay, so good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about the ITL and ITSM and Kunal raised a point that he want to understand about the ITSM part basically. Okay, so Kunal, let's take a normal example. If you want to do any kind of a big work, it can be a wedding, it can be a house building, even it can be a project as well. Let's take example, you're working in X company and your manager say, okay, Kunal, you have to work on this particular project. Definitely you have something in your mind regarding that project, that how to kick off that project, what should be the strategy to run this project. He says, or maybe your manager says that this project will be for the 2 years. Then you make a plan, or then you make a, what I can say, strategy for the next 2 years. That is called the designing part here. That how I am going to be complete this project in the 2 years, maybe in phase wise. If yes, in phase one, what will be that? Phase two, what will be going to be covered? That is called the designing part. Means in the designing, in ITL term, there's a term called the service design package, SDP basically we call it as, that contains that what you are going to be deliver in this particular phase. So maybe you say that, okay, in the phase one, I will just go for the incident and change management. That is the designing part. You're not creating, you are just putting your assumptions, you're putting your requirement, you're putting your risk in that particular place, and then you go for the creation part. That is the development and the, basically that is called development or the build part here. Okay, then you create your SGP, you create your SGP, you start development on that part, and finally you deliver to the customer. That is called the delivering part. Service transition come into the picture, and finally supporting and managing. Here your service operation come into the picture. Suppose you open a new shop. Okay, after 3 or 4 weeks you start analyzing, oh, this thing is not working properly, this stock is going to be over very soon. So what you do, you start maintaining them, you start supporting them. One customer came for X brand, Y customer came for the B brand, X Z customer same came for the A brand again. Then you think, oh, I need something to be improved at my end. Maybe I need to do some advertisements or something. So that come into that picture. So in ITSM, we have 5 life cycles. Number one is service strategy, where you plan your strategy, planning, financials come there, even some kind of a resourcing as well. Then come on the designing part, what you are going to be deliver in that particular time period. That is called the designing. Creating basically your development or the build part. Basically creating, we can say building, and delivering means your deployment should be happen. And finally support means your service operation, and managing means your CSI for the continuous service improvement of the services. So this is the purpose of the, or this is the definition of the ITSM. Kunal, it's clear now, or any doubt on this?
No, I'm good now. Thanks.
Okay, 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 good. Now, yesterday we pick up a topic called the SVC, service value chain. Now the thing is that if we all, as we all in the IT, and we know that how IT work actually. So we have a concept called the waterfall model we earlier used, but now it is not in the use. What is the purpose of the waterfall? You take a requirement in the beginning and you use that requirement, you build that requirement for the next 1 year or 2 years. Okay, that is the purpose of the waterfall, or that is the methodology of the waterfall model. But by using the waterfall model, something is not working in the later on side. Let's take example. Earlier in the schools, we have only final exams. Maybe in some time we have a test or not, half yearly or not, pre-board or not, but we don't directly have a board exams. But now even school change this mechanism. They are using the agile methodology. Why? They teach 1 or 2 chapters, they take a test. Then they teach 2 more chapters, they take a test. In the half yearly, they take the half syllabus and they do the test. Why they're doing the test again and again? They want to assure that the things which our teacher is teaching to the student should be understandable or not. And then in the final year, they gave a full syllabus, because final year means it is a complete go live for you now. So that is the complete product you are delivering at point of time. If anyone fail in that time period, it means he need to be go back and clear the class again. Okay, so now if I club all these things, the points which we discuss, if you see here, designing, creating, development, these points, if you discuss, the wordings or the phrasing has been changed. Let's take this example, this picture basically. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so what is the demand? My students from class first should be go to the class second. That is the demand. What value? They should get the education from class 1 to class 2. Clear? That is demand. Value, my kid should be go to the next class. That is the value for a parent. Okay. Then this is the step number 1, engage. If you remember, in the early days, there was no parents teacher meeting. My father put my admission in the school, and at the end of the year, he came with me for the collection of the report card. That's all. No parents involvement. But as per this SVC, because school says it is not my responsibility 100%, it is the parents' responsibility as well to get involved and create a value for the student or the kid. So they start engaging the stakeholders here only. All the required stakeholder, who is the project manager, who is the stakeholder, who is the product owner, who is the scrum master, everybody will start involving here. Okay, today we discuss about this thing, basically the stakeholder part from the BA perspective. Okay, when they engage, on the basis of this, they start planning their requirements. See, on the top, they're going planning their requirement. This one. Once they plan, they start designing part. Now, from where designing come? Designing come this part here, this thing. So involved means engage your stakeholders, plan the things, design and transition, service operation, service transition, and designing part should be there. Then do the building part, build your software here, deliver that, and add to the product and services, and improve this process once again. Maybe today is the second day. Maybe on Friday, I'll say, okay, guys, give me the feedback of the last 5 days. Why that feedback is required? Because on the day 1, we plan, I engage everyone. We plan the course, we design the course, and now we're in the obtaining phase. I am giving you my knowledge, you are getting that knowledge. You are implementing that knowledge in your projects. And after 5 days, I will ask you feedback. Okay, Atul, all things went well, little more deep knowledge we need on the ServiceNow architecture. Maybe that is the feedback you can give me, right? So the purpose is that for every small phase, I get improvement again and again. Improve and plan. There's a term called in ITSM, in ITL, PDCA, plan, do, check again, and there's a term called ODA, OODA, observe observe, deliver. Something is something that word only. Okay, so this is the purpose of the service value chain, because bottom line should be clear in everyone's mind here. The bottom line says ITL 4, it is the co-creation of value, end-to-end co-creation of the value, or end-to-end creation of the value. And end-to-end creation will be happen only when both of the parties will be involved. Now, if you see in the schools, parents are more interested for the teacher talk. They go to the kids school and ask, okay, how my kid is performing? What classes you are organizing on the vacation part? Shall I send it for the horse riding, or the drums, or the music, or the instruments? Why? Because they want to achieve a value in this time period. After 1 year, my kid should not only get the education, but should get the other parts as well. And after 3 months, they again go to the teacher. Okay, tell me, teacher, what is your plan for the next 3 months? Then again they go for this thing. So in short, these things already in the place. But now schools are using, colleges are using, basically not college, I'll say the schools are using this technique for the SVS, because they remove this line, they remove this myth in the parents' mind that it is only your responsibility. No, it is both of us responsibility to get a value for that particular education part. Any doubt, any question till this point? Anyone?
No.
Okay, good. Now, if this thing is clear, let me go to the BA part now. Okay, which is B for our next topic. Okay, let me go and mark it here. Okay, this one has been done. So now we are on the BA part. Okay, why BA part? Because definitely we both or we all working in a proper consulting role somewhere. I'm actually planning to start a BA batch maybe in month of December or January 2022. That is my plan. I'll hold it the ServiceNow batch for some time and I'll start with the BA part, and that will be a complete in-depth discussion on the BA thing. Now the thing is that Atul, who is the business analyst? Let me go on the screen here. How many of you are married actually? Ronald, I guess you are married, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think that your wife is a BA or not?
Yes, in a way, yes, I would say yes.
Okay. Ankit, what do you think? Your mom is BA or not?
Not sure what in what sense that would meant. So
Okay.
no idea on that.
Okay. Kunal, your sister or your brother is BA or not?
Yeah, in one sense we can say that.
Okay. Surya, your brother or sister is a BA or not?
I'm having no idea about this topic.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Now I come to the actual term that will give you a little more insights, and then you can take your decision with a yes or no. If I don't go in the industry specific words, or I go as a layman language part, okay. So the only point is that any person who is living on the earth and has the capability to think and predict and deliver something is called the BA for me. Now I take example why I pick up the house example. I said my wife is a business analyst. She's MBA. She's not working anywhere. She's a home baker and the homemaker and my home baker as well. But still she's a BA for me. Why? Because she asked me, what would you like to eat in the lunch? In dinner? Okay, guests are coming. What should I give them? It means she's getting the requirements from me so that she can fulfill that requirement and give me a product. Like Ronald says that yes, his wife is BA, but the same question when go to Ankit, Ankit say maybe because he don't know the context. Ankit, what you say now? Is your mother is a BA or not?
Definitely.
Definitely. Surya, what you say?
Yeah, definitely.
Right? So it means in short, any person who can understand the requirement of the other person, other party, and can help you to deliver that product or deliver that requirements in some other format, that is called the BA. Before we kick off this training, everybody reach out to me and I become BA for everyone. Okay, Kunal, what is your requirement? Ronald, what is your requirement? Ankit, what is your requirement? I am getting the requirements from you. Now I collect all the requirements in one place and I put those requirements in the different topics of our agenda. In the coming days, those requirements will be fulfilled. So that is the thing of that is the purpose or that is the definition of a business analyst. Now the question comes, what actually BA do? There is a very big myth in the industry that BA is equal to PM or PM is equal to BA. Never. BA and PM both are two different things. Project manager or business analyst, two different entities. Project manager manages the project from the funding, technical, functional part. BA only manages the things from the functional part for the requirement gathering. He is not much bothered about financials or the funding. In short, if you see this picture, as per this picture, Ankit, I'm putting you on the mute. Okay. As per this picture, BA has mainly 4 parts or the 4 steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, and 5. Requirement planning and management. What this particular thing mean? Before, okay, let's take example. Kunal or maybe Ronald invited all of us for the party at home. Okay, he says, okay guys, please come, we are the family. Okay, in my family I have 3 members, me, my wife and my kid. Kunal says, okay, I'll be 4 members. Surya says I will become 2 members. Ankit says I will become 2 members. Okay, but before the invitation, he do the planning at his end. Estimated guest count 20. Where I should organize that party. How should I organize that party? What is the occasion of that party? So all these things will be in the planning phase this year. Okay, it is like, suppose I say, okay guys, you need to be travel to on-site, okay, and get the requirement. Before travel, everybody start thinking about their own self. टिकट्स हो गई, वीजा हो गया, बैकपैक हो गया, ब्लेजर्स हो गए, आउटफिट्स हो गए, घूमने का प्लान हो गया. Yes, but did you guys prepare that what I should go and talk to the customer on the day 1? No, actually that is the work for the BA. Here BA will prepare a complete plan that okay, if I am traveling to the client side, like I am a BA for this training. Before I kick off this batch, I prepare a complete plan. When I say, you ask me, Atul, how much duration it is a batch? I say 40 to 45 hours. How you will cover? Every day, 1 hour. Okay, what you will cover? I have different sections available. Means this agenda I already prepared. I set it here. In this particular place, you should know that who is your stakeholder. आप किससे जाके बात करने वाले हैं, उसका लेवल क्या है, उसका डेजिग्नेशन क्या है. In government offices, PN is more important than the other person because he's the one who can approach, who can send your file immediately, right? So we will discuss that how the stakeholder parties will be there. So that is the first step for the BA part. You will be surprised, you are doing this thing. Actually, you're doing these things in day-to-day life, but we never understand that it is in which category it's falling here. Okay, that is a part. Now, these 3 sections in a box. Why? Because these 3 sections are only and only for the BA. Requirement allocation. Okay. In simple words, this particular word says how to gather the requirement from a customer. Let's take example here. Okay. Ankit and his best friend daily call each other. Okay. See how we're doing this requirement gathering. Okay. Or Ankit called me. Atul, what happened? Yeah, I'm not in the good mood. Okay, tell me what happened. I'm not in the good mood. अच्छा ये बता, something goes wrong in the office. नहीं. अच्छा घर पे कुछ बात हुई. Your wife says something. Everybody understand Hindi, right? Surya, is it okay for you for Hindi?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we put some example of the Hindi as well. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, let me change the example now. A mother and a child. Okay, child approximately 10-12 years old. That child came from the school and the mother asked, how are you? Okay. What happened? You are sad. Child did not speak. अच्छा टीचर ने कुछ कहा क्या? He did not speak. किसी से लड़ाई हो गई? He did not speak. टेस्ट में नंबर कम आए, you fail or you get less marks in the test. He did not speak. अच्छा लंच खराब था. He did not speak. टॉय टूट गया. He did not speak. What the mother is doing here? Anyone? What the mother is doing here?
Probably extracting out the reason why he's sad.
Okay. What else? Ronald, Surya or Kunal, what else she is doing here?
As per me, means like she wanted to understand that what exactly the issue behind that.
Okay. Kunal, sorry, Ronald, what do you say?
Just wanted to know what is happening.
Yes, exactly. She want to understand the pain area. Same thing I as a BA do when I met with my client. Why you need this tool? What is the pain area for you? Okay, let's take example. Kid says marks कमाए. Okay, ठीक है. Marks कमाए, marks क्यों कमाए? You did not study. ट्यूशन पे मैडम ने नहीं पढ़ाया ढंग से. Out of syllabus था. In short, until unless or you are a good BA or you are a good consultant, you should poke the client till the time you get all the required information. That is the work that mother is doing here. And that is the concept called the requirement allocation. Election, people call it the different words here. Okay, this is the requirement allocation. To get a requirement, we have multiple techniques. You can go and talk to the customer. You can read their documents. You can observe their behavior. Multiple options there. So a lot of techniques as per the this book has been given. After that, requirement analysis and documentation. Kid says, I got less marks in the exams. Mother start doing the analysis part. Why less marks? Did not study, did not understand the topic. Maybe he sit at the last bench. He has some eye problem. She start documenting and analyzing that part. Then she go to the technical team, to husband or to the school. To do this part, मैडम मेरा बेटा कहाँ बैठता है, पीछे या आगे? आगे बैठता है. इसका मतलब आइज का प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है उसको. ओके. किसके साथ बैठता है, किन बच्चों के साथ बैठता है, होशियार है, नालायक है, मीडिएटर है, किस तरह के हैं. So what she is doing? She is doing the assessment and the validation of what? The requirement she analyzed. From where? The requirement she get. This is the job of the business analyst. My customer says, Atul, I want to go on the moon. Okay, guys, I have a question for you. I want to go on the moon. What do you think? It is a requirement or not? Or as a BA, what should be your next question? Tell me, what should be the next question now? I want to go on the moon.
We can ask like why, what is the specific reason why you wanted to go to the moon?
Because I want to make myself famous. Put your thoughts 360 degree.
Okay. When do you want to go?
Tomorrow.
Okay, that is one requirement.
Okay.
Do you have
good, Ronald. Go ahead.
No, do you have the setup available for you to go to the moon?
I hired for you that for that purpose.
Okay, so then we will build that setup.
Okay. Now I have a question. I said I want to go tomorrow. Do you think that system will be ready by tomorrow?
No.
Then what will be the next question? You are BA here. See, you are doing this part. You are analyzing in the mind, and you are doing the validation as well. Parallelly, you are doing here. See, up to this point, you can do the things. You can do the things at your end. If required, you can take the technical help. But talk to the customer is your responsibility. Technical team यहाँ पर नहीं आती है. Technical team यहाँ पर नहीं आते. यहाँ पर आप लोग होते हैं as a consultant. Technical team यहाँ पर आती है. If I need to be answered or I need to be asked, अच्छा अतुल ये बताओ, आपको मून पर एक्चुअल में जाना है या आपको सिमुलेशन ही करना है? मुझे मून पे जाना है, मेरे रूम को आप मून की तरह सजा दो, हो गया, रूम पे चला जाऊंगा मैं. राइट? सो ये क्वेश्चंस हमें पोक करने पड़ते हैं. द रीजन इज दैट व्हाई अंकित, सूर्य, कुणाल और अनिल यू डिड नॉट आस्क बिकॉज यू थिंक अरे ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Go on the root level. When you are a consultant, start from the scratch. That why, what, who, when, ये 4-5 W आपको पूछने चाहिए. उस मदर ने अपने चाइल्ड को कितने सारे ऑप्शंस दिए पोक करने के लिए, तब उसको जाके एक रिक्वायरमेंट मिली कि इसकी आंखों में ही प्रॉब्लम है, ये पीछे बैठे इसको धुंधला दिखता है पीछे से, राइट। सो ये प्रैक्टिकल चीजें हमें अपने एक्सपीरियंस में लानी पड़ेगी। जब ये चीजें पूरी हो जाती हैं, आपकी वैल्यूएशन हो जाती है, उसके बाद आप आके कम्युनिकेट करते हो कस्टमर से कि बॉस तुमने 15 रिक्वायरमेंट दिया था जिसमें से 5 फिजिबल नहीं है, ठीक है, और बाकी 10 फिजिबल हो सकती हैं, हम कर देंगे। नाउ गिव मी अ साइन ऑफ हियर, रिटर्न sign off कि you are okay with these requirements, only then I will go and proceed with the development part, these things, ठीक है। सो ये पूरे BA का एक कोर एक्टिविटी है। This screenshot is from the book called the BA BOK, BABOK, BA BOK. That is very good book, 300-400 pages book. But if you read that book, your concepts will be all clear actually about the BA part. This is the work of the business analyst. Okay, any doubt, any question till this point?
So like basically this concept is like a feasibility check with the customer of the requirements.
Not feasibility. Get the requirement, do the analysis, do the assessment and validation, and then finally sign off on that point.
This Atul, sorry, sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead one by one. Yes, Ankit.
I was trying to say that, so checking out the feasibility criteria that we have to do from our technical end, right? Technical team as well.
वो आपका यहाँ पर आता है।
Solution assessment and validation फिर कब आएगा वो?
ये technical जब आप okay, let's take example. I have a land of 1 acre, okay, or maybe smaller than 1 acre, and that land is on the hilly area. मैं आपका कस्टमर हूं, मैं आपका क्लाइंट हूं, एंड आई टोल्ड यू मुझे यहां पर एक शॉपिंग मॉल चाहिए। आप एक बिल्डर हैं, आप बोलेंगे सर ठीक है, आप जगह दिखाओ कहां पर है। आप गए हिल एरिया में, आपने जगह देखी, नहीं सर यहां पर तो नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि यहां पर मॉल बनाने के लिए वो लैंड नहीं है जो आपका मॉल पिकअप कर पाएगा यहां पर। तो आपने सिर्फ यहाँ पर रिक्वायरमेंट लिया, उसको एनालाइज किया, और यहाँ पर आपने उसका असेसमेंट और वैलिडेशन किया, क्या उस जगह पर मॉल बन सकता है। आपने कहा सर मॉल नहीं बनेगा, आई कैन गिव यू स्मॉल शॉप इफ यू आर ओके, क्योंकि मॉल होगा तो आपको 5 फ्लोर 6 फ्लोर चाहिए होगा, सर लिफ्ट नहीं लगेगी यहाँ पर, फिर मॉल बन जाएगा लेकिन लिफ्ट नहीं लगेगी, स्टेयर्स में काम चल जाएगा। सो यू आर डूइंग दिस वैलिडेशन दैट असेसमेंट हियर ओनली। और यहाँ पर आप अपने बिल्डर से, अपने जो अपने लेबर्स होते हैं या आपके जो आर्किटेक्ट्स होते हैं, आप उन सबसे बात करते हो। यहाँ इन दोनों फेजेस में you are only doing the things at your end, and here you are bringing the other parties who are involving in that particular activity. ठीक है, अब बताओ अंकित, कोई डाउट इस पे?
I'm probably getting confused कि प्रोग्राम मैनेजर या फिर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर के जो एक्टिविटीज हैं, how it actually differs from a BA. The reason I'm getting confused is program manager या फिर project manager, project manager, he would be acting on hypercare or probably when SOW is signed, और उसके बाद जो things होती हैं, right, to make the peripherals and to make hardware applications up and running. Right. BA or program manager can work side by side until probably a year or a given time period. Then what kind of thin line a project manager would take when hypercare moves to BAU or when BA comes in action? So उस केस में who would be doing the requirement gatherings and who would be assessing that? Would the BAU team or would the project manager himself? कि आपने तो गलत इंक्वायरी करके आपने गलत सेटअप करा रखा है यहाँ पे। The feasibility criteria for the BAU team or for the BA associates are probably very tough or probably it's impractical. So उस केस में हम
let's take example, ठीक है। In your home आपकी सिस्टर की शादी है, let's take that example. Okay, your father is a project manager. He will take care of the things overall from the overall perspective. What he says कि भाई मेरी बेटी की शादी है, उसमें क्या होगा, उसमें खाना भी होगा, शादी का प्रोग्राम होगा, रिसेप्शन होगा, फेरे होंगे, बाद में डोली होगी. For your father, these 5 are the major points. Okay, now you are the elder brother. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पर बीए का काम करोगे। अच्छा पापा से पूछो, पापा से बताओ कि शादी में कितने लोग आएंगे, कैसा रखना है, चाइनीज रखना है, थाई रखना है, इंडियन रखना है, पंजाबी रखना है, साउथ इंडियन रखना है, कैसा रखना है आपको खाना, ठीक है। अच्छा गाड़ी और दीदी को क्या देना है साथ में, कपड़े क्या देने हैं, बर्तन क्या देने हैं, ग्रोसरी क्या देनी, मतलब जो भी सामान होता है वो सब चीजें आप डिसाइड करोगे। तो आप यहाँ पर एक एक मॉड्यूल को पिकअप करके यू आर बिकमिंग अ बीए एंड यू आर टेकिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट्स। मतलब यहाँ पर नाउ आई एम रिप्लेसिंग ए फादर एज अ कस्टमर एज वेल, क्योंकि ये बात आप लड़के वालों से तो नहीं कर सकते जाके, भाई बताओ तुम्हें क्या क्या चाहिए, तो आप अपने फादर से डिस्कस करोगे सारी चीजें। तो यहाँ पर डिफरेंस क्या है कि ओवरऑल जो पिक्चर रहेगी, अगर शादी में कुछ खराब हुआ तो बदनामी किसकी होती है, पेरेंट्स की होती है। अगर कुछ बढ़िया हुआ तो शाबाश किसको मिलती है, तो भी पेरेंट्स को मिलती है। लेकिन काम किसने किया एक्चुअली में, काम बिजनेस एनालिस्ट ने किया कि एक एक रिक्वायरमेंट को समझना उसका, ठीक है भाई। अब रिसेप्शन है, रिसेप्शन पे मुझे डीजे भी चाहिए, भाई मेरे फ्रेंड्स आएंगे तो कॉकटेल भी होना चाहिए, बाकी लोग आएंगे उनके लिए भजन कीर्तन भी होना चाहिए। सो यू आर गैदरिंग दिस रिक्वायरमेंट इन द साइमल्टेनियसली। As a BA, you are working with the project manager. You are working on the timelines given by the project manager, but you are not bothered about the funding. वो सारा काम प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर का है, पापा पैसे दे दो, हाँ मिल जाएंगे, ले लो भाई। ये चीजें होती है, ये तीन जो लाइन है, तीन लाइन ऐसे डिफरेंशिएट होती है इनका रोल और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। इसलिए इसमें आगे एक स्लाइड आएगी राशि करके। योर रोल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शुड बी क्लियर.
Okay.
Only then you can work in a project. Like in my current project, I am a hardcore BA. When I say hardcore BA means I am not allowed to touch any technical code. My simple work is that talk to the customer, get the requirement, raise the story, put the acceptance criteria, give the understanding to the development team, review that part and move to the next sprint. That's all. I am not bothered कि मेरे स्प्रिंट के लिए लोग हैं कि नहीं है, वो मेरा काम नहीं है, वो मेरा पीओ देखेगा, मेरा स्क्रम मास्टर देखेगा, बिकॉज आई एम अ बीए. दैट इज अ थिन लाइन बिटवीन माय वर्क एंड माय पीओ वर्क और माय स्क्रम मास्टर वर्क.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yes, Ronald, you are asking something.
Yeah, no, it was the same question basically which Ankit asked. It was similar to that. I mean, I just wanted to differentiate the role of a BA as compared to the role of an architect or a technical discussion which happens later to check feasibility. So yeah.
When you pick up a one more term, technical part. Okay. I am a BA. My work is to get the requirement from the customer. Let's take example. Okay. आप एक करियाना शॉप पे जाते हैं. Suppose we all are working for a project. Okay. And we want to set up a system for this thing. What I can say for the करियाना purpose. और let's take example. मुझे सर्विस ना implement करना है करियाना शॉप के लिए. ठीक है. कुणाल और मैं BA हैं और रोनाल्ड हमारा आर्किटेक्ट है. हम गए करियाना की शॉप पे, ग्रोसरी शॉप पे. वी गो देयर एंड वी आस्क, ओके अंकल टेल मी व्हाट इज योर बिजनेस. भाई ग्रोसरी का बिजनेस है. ओके अंकल आपका स्टॉक है. हाँ होता है स्टॉक. ओके स्टॉक कैसे मेंटेन करते हो अंकल आप. बेटा आई हैव दिस स्मॉल बुकलेट और द कॉपी एंड पेन, आई नोट इट डाउन देयर. ओके अंकल डू यू यूज द बार कोड. लिमिटेड करता हूँ, ज्यादा नहीं. अच्छा अंकल बिलिंग कैसे करते हो. We have a handwritten receipts. We'll make a bill and that's all. Okay. These are the 4 or 5 requirements. Me and Kunal understand this part. Now I go to Ronald and Ankit or Surya, who is my technical architect, and I start telling the same thing to you. भाई Ronald और Ankit, एक अंकल है, उनका ग्रोसरी का बिजनेस है, उनका स्टॉक है, बिलिंग वो पेपर पे करते हैं और कभी कभी बारकोड यूज कर लेते हैं. रोनाल्ड heads up. अतुल समझ नहीं आया मुझे. Because Ronald is not a functional part. Ronald is a technical person. Now I need to change my terms. So Ronald and Surya and Ankit, we went to a grocery shop. That person need a stock inventory. That is a CMDB in the service now. That person need a billing system that either can be financial management we can use or ITBM, or we can give them a kind of a order guide kind of things we can give them. Now tell me Ronald, which one is easy for an architect to understand, the first one or the second one? Yes Ankit, you are saying something. Go ahead.
I understood what you were trying to say. So
correct. So that is the reason that a BA is always required in the process, because BA is the one who should understand the customer requirement in their own language and convert that requirement into the technical part of the particular tool. Okay? So that is a thin line between these two roles actually. And believe me, not in India, but outside India, there's a lot of companies who hire only for the BA role. They don't want that you should understand the tool as well. They want that you should go and talk to the customer and understand their requirement and convert to the technical term which my development team can understand. Okay.
Atul, can I ask? I think
yes.
Two questions.
Go ahead.
I feel a BA cannot be an architect, but can an architect be a BA? Can be. And okay, go ahead. Yes.
In small organizations or the small companies, people play multiple roles.
Right.
Like when I say about myself, I am a techno-functional consultant. I am a ServiceNow process architect. I know that what is the best I can design in ServiceNow from the process perspective, not from the technical side, but from the process perspective, I can design your process easily. So I can play multiple roles as well.
Okay. Fine, understood. Next question that I have is having also had played some role, BA role previously. As a BA, is it that we are expected to have that complete knowledge about the functionalities of that particular tool or that particular software?
Okay, if I talk from the current industry demand perspective, then yes.
Okay.
Because the thing is that if you don't know about the tool functionality, because BA work is not over after the requirement. BA start his work from the requirement gathering till the UAT has been done, project go live. BA is always important. Even in some cases, in the hypercare, people need the BA as well. So in that case, if customer is saying, because in the UAT phase, developer or technical guys never go for this UAT. Only BA go for the UAT with the customers. In this case, he should know minimum that part he can explain to the customer. Otherwise, आप हर बार बोलेंगे मैं technical team से पूछूंगा तो लोग बोलेंगे मैं तुझे क्या आता है फिर? Right? And that is the demand of the market at point of time. Now in the market, if someone say I'm looking for ServiceNow consultant, it means, or maybe they say ServiceNow consultant, it means you should understand 50-50 of the both sides, 50% functional, 50% technical. I'm not saying that you should understand the table level discussion. No, process level, validation level, you should know in the tool. That is the requirement from the BA at point of time. Okay. And by this training, these things will be covered actually in one by one way.
Okay. One last question, if I may.
Yes, please.
Maybe it's a little too further, but just adding on to what you said. Does a BA also write test scripts, because they know the tool?
No. Okay. BA give the requirement to the tester, and it's tester responsibility to write the test cases. BA can support them to review in that cases. But BA never write BA only write the acceptance criteria in the story. That is again 4 to 5 lines. That's all. Nothing on the test cases part.
Okay, clear. Okay, thanks.
Yes, Surya, Ankit, Kunal, any question from your side?
No. Probably if you are jumping onto the BA, we won't be talking about ATS, but we would be talking about UACs, right? On a higher level.
Yes, right.
That would make this help. Because now probably hearing all discussion right now would happen. I was thinking why one probably having a knowledge of ServiceNow or probably having a knowledge of ITIL or SIAM would jump on to the business analytics part, or business analysis part. But why would one be required? But you answered that.
Okay. Now let's go to the little important term. Okay. if you are a BA, you should always remember these 6 concepts. And these are the lines which I pick up from the book only. These are not my self-written lines. These are the standard lines. Okay. And this is called the BACCM, Business Analyst Core Concept Model. These 6 points are important from that perspective. If you read this word change, need, solution, stakeholder, value, and context. Atul, easier. What else? What new are we giving here? But the thing is that if you read the definition, every term contains the another term. What is the change? Change is the act of transformation in a response to a need. आज से 10 साल पहले जो फोन थे और आज जो फोन है और आने वाले 10 साल में जो फोन होंगे, that is a transformation. आज से 10 साल पहले हमारे पास वो कीबोर्ड्स वाले फोन थे जिसमें आप कॉल कर सकते हैं, you can get a call, you can make a call, you can receive SMS, that's all. In current phone, you can do each and everything. Set alarm, take photographs, video, shooting, WhatsApp, any app, Gmail, anything you can do. Why? That is a change has been happened now. And this change is the transformation. It is not a simple change. It is a transformation. Now, if you go and see anybody on the roadside, सबके पास एक स्मार्टफोन तो होगा ही होगा मिनिमम, जिस पे WhatsApp चल सकता हो या इस पे इंटरनेट चल सकता हो. Why this change happened? Because we have a need here. Why a need here? What is the meaning of the need? Problem or opportunity? You have a need to get a good job, and I convert that need into the change by providing the trainings. COVID-19 is an opportunity for many people. Somehow it is not a good for a lot of people as well, but for few of the people, it is actually opportunity. I was reading some article, maybe article, not some paragraph kind of things. Approximately 2 or 3 years back, before COVID has been started, nobody know about the Zoom, Google Link. Nobody knows. But as soon as the COVID started, every phone has a Zoom. Just check, out of 10, approximately 9 people have a Zoom in their phone now. They have a Google Meet now. Why? Because that is the need of the time. And these companies take this need or opportunity and do the complete transformation. Now they started a well planned, take the package of the 200 or 300 rupees, unlimited hours you can talk to your friends. Now to get, there's a need to fulfill that need, we have a change. In the change, we have a specific solution, but that solution in a specific context. That is the next term I'm adding here. Because Zoom can be used only for meetings. Zoom can be used for the online classes, but Zoom you still cannot use to do the food part. Okay, I'm putting my what I can say, food in your mouth, open your mouth and it will be in your mouth. No, still you cannot do, because there is some context has been added. What is the meaning of the context? Let me go here. Context says the circumstances that influence or influenced by the provided understanding of the change. By seeing the current market situation, you guys, me, my previous batch people or the coming batch people think that let's go for the ServiceNow training, because that is the demand of the same. Maybe tomorrow if ServiceNow not work well, or people say no, it's too costly, we cannot afford, people become something else. So these things should be in the context now. Okay, and who is the stakeholder for whom you are providing the services, to whom you are giving the solution? Zoom or Google, who's the stakeholder? We guys are the stakeholder. We says 40 minutes is very less. So Zoom say use the Zoom for the first 40 minutes. Next session will be more than 40 minutes I can offer you. They understand that part. And if you see here, they bring up the value like this. By online classes, the value has been come. Again, this value we already discussed yesterday, that, but the only thing which we adding here, that this value is in the context now. I am giving you training of the ServiceNow techno-functional part. It is, my context is techno-functional, and you are getting some value here because you are my stakeholder. Why? because you have a need to learn. I want to make a change in yourself by providing a solution on the day-to-day classes. So whenever you talk to the customer, you always remember that these 6 pillars should be followed. This is very important. Customer says, I want this thing. I want X, I want Y. Boss, your SOW has been signed only ITSM. If you want to go for the ITBM, I have no issue, but increase the context here. Let's discuss this requirement in this context format only, not the outside that. Very basic terms, but very important terms from the business analyst perspective. And on these things, you can easily play with the customer. What is the need of this? Then go for the change part. Yes, guys, any doubt on this part?
Nothing, Atul, thanks.
Okay. Surya, Ankit, Kunal.
There is no responsibility of a BA to like you probably propose that anything out of the box or anything out of the context would be done according to SOW. So anything beyond, if a customer asks, BA is supposed to report that to expert person.
Yes, project manager.
So दोबारा SOW साइन हो गया, दोबारा SOW बनेगा नया.
बनेगा. So देखो उस केस में basically in these cases what happen actually that when you start working with the customer on the day-to-day basis, okay. Sorry. Yeah. When you start discussing with the customer on the day-to-day basis and you start explore the tool, customer also start exploring the tool with you, then a lot of things come into the picture. A BA is a good BA when he can bring the business as well. Suppose I go to customer, he says, Atul, I'm interested for the ITSM part. I said, okay, take ITSM. Maybe I can put a pitch up something in between. Okay, how you are managing your on calls? How you are managing your financials? I can give you the solution for that as well. I just put a thought in his mind. Context is different, but I am able to bring that business for my company as well. So these things basically, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आज पहले दिन का शुरू हो गए, सर ITBM भी ले लो, ITOM भी ले लो, CSM भी ले लो, नहीं. With the examples, with the relationship, these things has been built, and for these things, these are the important points. I tell you in the next slide, we'll tell and we'll. Sorry guys, I guess this some practice is going on for the Air Force guys. Okay, so. For the context, it is important to understand the stakeholder. Let's come to that topic only now. Kunal, you have a kid as well, right? Sorry, I'm saying Kunal, Ronald.
Yes, sir.
How old?
3.5.
Okay, your parents stay with you?
Yes, my mother does.
Perfect. Now it's a good example. Now take example. It's a son or daughter?
Son.
Okay, great. Now take example like Ronald's sons want to buy ice cream. He go to Ronald, Papa, give me, please come with me. I want to take ice cream. Kunal says, sorry, I'm busy. I'll not come with you. Sorry, Ronald says, I'm busy. I'm not come with you. No problem. His son is so smart. He go to his mother. Mama, please come, give me ice cream. Mother again refuse. Now he go to grandmother. Dadi, I need ice cream. Chal putter, let's go. Day 1 story over. Day 2, day 3, nothing happened. Day 4, he approached directly to Dadi. Dadi, I need a toy now. Dadi is okay because grandparents are for that purpose only, right? Dadi, okay, go bring him toy. Now understand one thing. Your son is a business analyst because he had some requirements, right? He's searching for the person who can fulfill that requirement immediately. Now Ronald's son says, I need a cycle. और साइकिल है महंगी 12,000 की है. He go to दादी, दादी रिफ्यूज, नहीं बेटा इतने तो नहीं मैं दूंगी पैसे, क्योंकि भाई पेरेंट्स का मामला होता है, राइट? Son come to Ronald, Papa cycle. Chalo, it's your age. Let's go and have some get some new cycle for you. Now in these two examples, he approached the two different people. Third example, he want to eat pasta. Dadi pasta bana do, because he know that Dadi will do everything. Dadi says, बेटा मेरे को पास्ता नहीं आता, मैं तो छोले पूरी हलवा पूरी ये बना सकती हूँ, पास्ता नहीं आता. पता पापा तो करेंगे नहीं. ये approach to mother. Done. Three different examples. One person as a BA, he approached to the three different persons. Why? Because he know who is the right person for me to do this thing. He learned this thing from experience. Next time he want to buy a motorcycle, he will not approach to mom or grandmother. He will approach to only father. But he want to eat some good, he approach to mother. He want to buy something small items, approach to grandmother. These are the stakeholders. These are the actual stakeholders. And as a BA, you should know कि आपको कब किस टाइम में किसको कहां अप्रोच करके अपना काम पूरा करवाना है. It is a fact of the life. It is a truth of the life. हर कोई अपने लिए काम करता है यहाँ पर. You are here because you need a training. I am here because I need a money. I want to share the knowledge. Very simple thing and very transparent on that part. ठीक है, मैं अच्छी बातें करता हूँ, मेरी ट्रेनिंग में आ जाओ, ये होगा वो होगा, आप आ जाते हो, मेरा काम हो गया. आप अच्छी बातें करते हो, अतुल अच्छा, अतुल बहुत अच्छे, अतुल अच्छे हैं, अतुल मुझे रेफर करके जॉब दिलवा दो, काम हो गया. सो नाउ द थिंग इज दैट इन इंडस्ट्री, और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आईटी की बात हो रही है, ये किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में आप जाइए, किसी भी, वहां पर ये चीजें आपको काम आएंगी. In my previous trainings, I give example to my all the colleagues or the friends or the batchmates specifically. इसको अगर एनालाइज करना है ना, तो आपको मैं होमवर्क देता हूँ आज. इट इज योर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. इनका मीनिंग मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या है. वैसे तो नाम से सब क्लियर हो जाए. इनका मीनिंग मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आपको करना क्या है, शाम को मे भी जब आप सोने का टाइम हो आपका 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 बजे, एक पेपर लेना और अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स के नाम लिखना. सारे जितने भी आपके अच्छे दोस्त हैं, कलीग्स हैं, मैनेजर है, जो भी आप जिसको भी आप अच्छा समझते हो, उनके नाम लिखना. एंड स्टार्ट कैटेगराइजिंग देम इन दिस सीक्वेंस, इन दिस फॉर्मेट. आई विल टेल यू कि उनका पर्पस क्या है. कैट, सपोर्ट इफ इंटरेस्ट फेवर्ड. इन आवर प्रोजेक्ट्स we have few people who always use support only and only if they are be getting some benefit from that. I will support you in this project because by supporting you I get promotion. This is the cat type. ये वो लोग होते हैं, ये वो दोस्त होते हैं, वो तब आते हैं जब आपके पास पैसा होता है, या आप बोल दो चल आज पार्टी में देता हूँ. These are those type of stakeholder. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसे कौन से लोग हैं जिनको आप इस टाइम पिकअप कर सकते हो. चल भाई तुझे मैं पार्टी में लेके चलूंगा अपने साथ, मेरा काम करवा दे, अरे एक डिफेक्ट पूरा करवा दे. These are the people here, cat type. Okay. Elephant, powerful yet slow. Let's say example, powerful yet slow. अतुल ग्रोवर है यहाँ पे, पढ़ाते बहुत बढ़िया अतुल, पता है बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन बहुत खींचते बहुत हैं कोर्स को. बोलेंगे 40 दिन लगाएंगे, 60-70 दिन, बट क्या करें, चलती है उनकी. ये वो दोस्त होते हैं यहाँ पर. ये वो कलीग्स होंगे आपके, वो आपके फ्रेंड्स होंगे जिनके पास पावर बहुत है, लेकिन वो डिसीजन लेने में बहुत टाइम लगाते हैं, बहुत धीरे लगाते हैं. हो सकता है कि इनका डिसीजन एक्यूरेट हो सकता है इनका डिसीजन एक्यूरेट ना भी हो, बट दे आर पावरफुल. इनकी पावर चलती है मेनली. ठीक है. नाउ लॉयन, पावरफुल एंड द इन्फ्लुएंशियल. एक मिनट देना गाइस, जरा चार्जर ऑन करता हूं मैं. ठीक है. तो लॉयन टाइप क्या आता है, पावरफुल एंड द इन्फ्लुएंशियर्स. मेजरली अगर मैं यहाँ पे बात करूं, लाइक जब हम फ्रेशर्स होते हैं ना, तो हमारा जो टीम लीड होता है वो यही होता है. उसने जो बोलते हैं भाई करेंगे, उसने बोला भाई कल से नाइट शिफ्ट में आना है, आ जाएंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो दोज आर दोज पीपल. मे बी आवर पेरेंट्स इन दिस कैटेगरी, दे आर द पावरफुल and they are the influential. That kid is not eating anything. मॉम स्टार्ट इन्फ्लुएंसिंग, अच्छा चल खा ले, चॉकलेट ला के दूंगी, चल आइसक्रीम ला के दूंगी, या शाम को घुमा के लाऊंगी, ट्राई टू इन्फ्लुएंस। ये आपके वो कलीग्स होंगे। मान लो आप एक रिक्वायरमेंट पे काम कर रहे हैं, आप एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, आपको पता है कि आपका सबऑर्डिनेट, आपका कलीग उस पर काम नहीं कर रहा, तो इस पर्सन को अप्रोच करो जो जाके उसको पोक करेगा। ये टेक्निक्स होती हैं जो एज ए बीए आपको समझनी चाहिए कि हाँ भाई मुझे किस टाइम पे किसको अप्रोच करना है। नहीं तो आप ताली बजाते रहो, कोई आपके पास नहीं आएगा जब तक आप सही लोगों को अप्रोच नहीं करोगे। आई गिव वन एग्जांपल। in our industry we fill the time sheets every week, almost every week, every month we fill the time sheets, right? ठीक है, मान लो हमारा एक पीएम है, उसने एक मेल भेजा, रिमाइंडर भेजा, गाइस प्लीज फिल द टाइम शीट फॉर द अक्टूबर मंथ। मैंने नहीं भरा। उसने सेकंड रिमाइंडर भेजा, मैंने फिर भी नहीं भरा। उसने थर्ड रिमाइंडर भेजा, मैंने फिर भी नहीं भरा। नाउ ही अप्रोच टू द सीनियर मैनेजर, सर इन लोगों के नाम है, इन्होंने टाइम शीट नहीं भरा। पहला मेल आता सीनियर मैनेजर से, गाइस प्लीज फिल द टाइम शीट। सबने भर दिया। व्हाई? बिकॉज पावर है यहाँ पर उसकी। सो यू शुड नो एज अ बीए कि मुझे किस टाइम पर किसको अप्रोच करना है, सो दैट योर वर्क कैन बी डन। ओके, नाउ डॉग, कमिटेड टू द प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेस। ये वो लोग होते हैं जो 24/7 365 डेज लगे रहते हैं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसे भी करके हमें सक्सेस बनाना ही बनाना है। बहुत लोग होते हैं इसमें, आपके ट्रेनर्स, आपके डेवलपर्स, आपके कोडर्स, आर्किटेक्ट्स होते हैं कुछ लोग, मतलब जिनको आप रात को 2 बजे फोन करोगे ना, हाँ बताओ रोनाल्ड क्या हुआ, मैं लॉगिन करता हूँ, 5 मिनट दो मुझे, खड़े हो जाएंगे वो लोग। ये यहाँ पर वो लोग आते हैं। ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पर आते हैं जब शादी होती है घर में, एल्डर ब्रदर सिस्टर, ये यहाँ पर वो लोग आते हैं जिनको पता है भाई कुछ भी हो जाए पापा की इज्जत नहीं खराब होनी चाहिए, शादी तो बढ़िया करेंगे। पेंगुइन, स्लो एंड स्टडी। The best example which I gave here is basically those people who are aspirants for UPSC, IAS, IPS. They are slow. They start their study from the 12th, 11th, 12th class only. पर थोड़ा पढ़ते रहते हैं, लेकिन रेगुलर पढ़ते हैं ये लोग, so that they can get the success. ये लोग भी आपको अपने प्रोजेक्ट में चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि हर कोई ऐसा हो या ऐसा हो, नहीं। अब ये क्या, फास्ट एंड फिकल रैबिट। जैसे मैंने रोनाल्ड को फोन किया, रोनाल्ड यार एक इशू फिक्स करना है। हाँ सर बताओ, हो जाएगा। अरे छोटे वाला इशू फिक्स कर दो पहले, 5 मिनट में हो गया अपडेट। होते हैं ऐसे लोग भी। जैसे व्हाट हैपन व्हेन वी हैव अ गो लाइव्स, ठीक है, कुछ डेटा मिस हो गया, तो मेरा डेवलपर मुझे कहता है भाई तू कर दे फटाफट, तेरे पास एक्सेल प्रोडक्शन में तू डेटा सेट कर दे, बिकॉज वी वांट टू अचीव, वी आर हियर फॉर द सिंगल गोल। सो ऐसे लोग भी आपके होते हैं यहाँ पर। नाउ ईगल, इट्स नॉट अ क्रो, इट्स अ ईगल, कैन व्यू फार अहेड, एंड बेस्ट एग्जांपल व्हिच आई गिव हियर इज आवर पेरेंट्स। When a kid take a birth, they start planning their future as well. Up to 25-30 years they think कि बेटी है घर में, उसकी शादी करनी है, उसके लिए पैसा जोड़ना है, तो वो लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं। CEO, CTO, CIOs वो इस कैटेगरी के लोग होते हैं। जो स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं वो इस कैटेगरी के लोग होते हैं कि मुझे 10 साल का सोच के चलना है कि मुझे कैसे कंपनी रन करनी है। हिप्पो, माई वे और हाईवे। हियर आई कैन इंक्लूड माई एग्जाम्पल। भाई ट्रेनिंग करनी है तो सुबह 10 बजे ही होगी, एंड आई एम रियली वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन दैट पार्ट। यू विल नॉट बिलीव, इन माई लास्ट 5 बैचेस I lose approximately 5 to 6 candidates from the US and Canada, and the only reason is that the timings. They says Atul either do on the weekends or do in the early morning 6 or 7 o'clock. I said boss, not possible. Either follow my way, either follow your way. So I am in this kind of person. ये वो लोग होते हैं आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स में जो काम करके देंगे, लेकिन बोलेंगे करना तो मेरे तरीके से। सिंपल, लाइक एक इशू आया, भाई फिक्स कर दे, हो जाएगा। आप कितना भी पुश करो अभी कर दे, वो नहीं करेगा, बोलेगा रात को हो जाएगा, तुझे सुबह मेल मिल जाएगा। ये वो लोग होते हैं यहाँ पर। एंड फाइनली आउल, वेकअप ड्यूरिंग द गो लाइव्स। ये वो लोग हैं जब कोई प्रॉब्लम फंस जाती है या जब कहीं सक्सेस की बात आती है, ये लोग तब खड़े हो जाते हैं। जैसे शादी बढ़िया हो गई, तो भाई उसको भी बुला लो, उसने भी काम किया था, या उसने काम एक दिन किया होगा लेकिन बनाएगा मैंने बहुत दिन काम किया यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पे वो लोग होते हैं. The purpose of this particular diagram or the purpose of this topic is specifically to tell as a business analyst, you should know in your project कि आपको किस टाइम पर, what time, which person you have to be approach to get your work done. BA का और कुछ काम ही नहीं है, BA कोऑर्डिनेट ही करता है सबके साथ, BA always coordinate with other people, but to get his work done, he should know who is the right person to approach. That is important for the BA part. Open for question.
Probably I've understood all other animals and probably the significance. The last one, which says wakes up during go live, is that probably अगर कुछ गड़बड़ होती है while pushing the probably the work we have done on production, when it breaks or when it fails or when it goes some errors, yes. Are we supposed to reach out these people now?
No. ये नहीं अंकित, आपने डेफिनेशन उल्टा लिया. These are those people जब कहीं सेलिब्रेशन होने लगता है तो बीच में आता है, हाँ भाई मैं भी आऊंगा.
Okay.
ये वो है, मतलब अब देखो गोलाई में अगर कुछ फट गया तो इससे तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं, या तो इससे कराओ या इससे कराओ, इन दोनों में से किसी एक से कराओ आप, इससे तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं. ये तो ब्लेम करके जाएगा कि तुम्हारी गलती है, तुमने क्यों ढंग से पहले प्लान किया. राइट, सो ये वो रहते हैं लोग. यस रोनाल्ड, सूर्या और कुणाल, एनी डाउट?
No, Atul, all clear.
No, it's quite relatable, so no doubt.
Oh, good. So now it's your homework. In the evening, or maybe someone can take a screenshot if required. In the evening, try to bind your colleagues, your friends in these sections. Okay, and then finally is a Rasi model. Rasi says responsible, accountable, consultant, and informed. One thumb rule if you want to succeed in your life and in your industry. Whenever you start working with anyone, ask, who am I in this Rasi? I am responsible, accountable, consultant, or informed. Another thumb rule. For a single activity, never two person can be accountable. अगर ये ट्रेनिंग कुछ फेल हो जाता है, you guys are not accountable, only I am accountable, but you guys are responsible. इसीलिए जब भी कहीं काम करो, किसी प्रोजेक्ट में काम करो, किसी के साथ कोई काम करो, उससे पूछो who am I in this particular section, so that when the blame games should start, I should have a know that where I should stand in the blame game. Consulted हूँ, informed हूँ, accountable हूँ या responsible हूँ. ठीक है. And guys, this is a thumb rule that never two person can be accountable. If you ask to the ITIL people, they get confused. It is a thumb rule. ITIL की book में भी है, never two person can be accountable. If BJP wins, all credits go to Modi. If BJP lose, again blame to Modi. People doing this thing only, right? But all the party workers are responsible for the same, either for the success, either for the failure. Okay, so with this we have completed our these two topics as well. Okay, any question before I stop the recording here?
Yeah, Atul, one small doubt regarding this. The consultant and the BA are both same, or the BA is a role under the consultant designation?
It is basically designations here in the IT industry. Like I am a consultant as a ServiceNow consultant, but I am working as a business analyst. Okay. So consultant can be a technical as well. Consultant can be functional as well. Okay. Okay, then let me stop the recording.